Okay, so we're here at Battery Cells and Systems Expo. It's day 2. We've had a really busy couple of days on the stand, and we thought we'd just come on and have 2 minutes summarising what have been the hot topics that we've discussed with people. James, what do you think?
I think the number one topic we've been asked about is cooling plates, dielectric coating of cooling plates. It's obviously a buzz topic at the moment. A lot of people working on this area. We've been involved in them for couple of years now, so a lot of learning and a lot of R&D has gone into that area, so it's been good to share some of that knowledge with people coming on the stands. Some people who know very little about dielectric coating, they've heard the term resicoat, they don't even know that that's dielectric coating. So all the way up to the other end of the spectrum where we've got people who have been working on these things for years, so it's been good to see the range of knowledge and to interact with people and talk to them about it.
So yeah, in fact, lots of cooling plate projects going on. Our other service we're promoting here today is tizzy passivation, which is used for improving bonding. And so we've been talking to people about cooling plates which are adhesively bonded and talking to them about using tizzy passivation to improve that process and ensure they're getting fewer failures when their cooling plates are put under pressure in use. But it's not just cooling plates we do. We've worked with all components in the battery enclosure over the last 3 or 4 years. And actually our technical manager, Dr. Nick Welton, has put together the complete guide to dielectric coating, which you can download now, get a PDF. There's going to be a QR code on the screen, or you can drop me an email, get yourself a copy, and talk to us about your dielectric coating project.